guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ind, and today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on this look right here. Very out of my kind of zone of the soft glam. I am using the Stacey Marie Carnival palette, the original ones. I really want to try the extra large one, so like this video if you think I should. Yeah, I absolutely love this sort of palette. It's very colourful. I've gone for like the bluey green sort of colours on my eyes. I'm obsessed with this eye, to be fair. I've literally just done a TikTok of this look because I can't get rid of it. I don't want it. I want to save it forever. Yeah, it has been a hot minute since I've sat down on this chair, set up my little camera tripod, this little station. To film a video I needed like a time away. I was getting very demotivated and I just wanted to get my motivation back, so hence why I haven't uploaded to Thursdays. That will be going back to normality as of next week. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next clip of me in my eyes.